Rudolph Speid.
Oh, very well, remembering that this is a team that we're rebuilding near the end of the season. So it's really a very good performance by them. No, for this game, we knew that their legs were going to go near the end of each half, and that is when we started to play much faster, and it paid dividend.
In one final round, because you know, pleasing is that for you and
very good when you consider that we lose 10 players from last year and two more, probably two best players in the league at a crucial point. And today we had two injuries in Cadet and Elshad. So it's very good we were able to draw on a quality player like Shanil and able to do the business.
And good at him showing that type of performance, and especially at this stage of the season, losing players and all of that.
Oh yeah, it's a good time for him to come back. He was injured for a while. It was a long way back for him, but it's just a good time for him to come back. We're just praying that he was able to finish the game. But again, when you have such depth in your structure with youths and talented players, you can always draw on some of them. And the players are young and really talented. So, I mean, I think we are getting where we want to be for the playoffs.
Please more aspect of the performance.
Well, definitely, because this is probably about the third or fourth clean sheet we're keeping since King and Atkinson has left. So those are pleasing performances too. But again, our team is very pacey, so you know that once we get spaces, we'll probably cause a lot of problems.
Finally, a silver race in front of you. You want that to take back to put in the cabinet. How serious will you take that final?
The final is serious, but at the same time we have to be wary that we have a semi-final game 3 days afterwards. So as you can see, it is a thing that takes a toll on players at this particular time. But we're just counting down the matches. So now we know we have 4 matches left to play. Once we get past this one, on Friday we're just saying we have 3 more. So that is how we're taking the season now.
You want the trophy?
Well, definitely every time we play to win. Thanks.